What's up guys, CTECHI Chris here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the CTECHI or CTECHI 200 watt portable power station. Just want to say this product is going to run at $219, but if you use code CTECHI Chris at the checkout, you'll get $50 off. This isn't something I usually do make a review or unboxing of, but I couldn't pass this up. So here we have CTECHI or TECHI. I don't know if the C is silent. And then we have portable power station. We have AC output. It's a little heavy, so I'm going to try to get close to the camera. AC output, DC output, USB output, Type C input output, 60 watt Type C, and then we have a USB 3.0. Some of the uses for this power station would be for camping, adventure, exploration, trips, fishing, battery backup, hunting, or caravan. And if you guys want these specific specifications, here you go. So without further ado, let's open this up. It is pretty heavy though. Wow, it is actually heavy. All right, opening the box here. Upon opening the box, you just get like this handle, which should be the power bank itself or the power station. Lifting it up. Wow, this is very neat. Just by holding it, lifting it up with the handle, you can tell this is like a quality product. It's heavy. And it just has a good feel. It's like a metallic feel right here. It's like 50 degrees outside, so it's a little cold. But here on the bottom, you have like these little feet. I'm like breaking a sweat trying to lift this up. The handle, it like extends. Here you go. And then here on the product itself, you have a little screen. I guess it's gonna be like a little status display. You have two, I guess like regular US plugs here. I'm not sure what you would call this. Two regular USBs and then one USB 3.0, one USB Type C, and then 3 output 12 volts and 1 input. And that looks like that is it. So let me check what else is inside the box. All right, opening more of the box. We just have this little styrofoam. And then this little box right here. And that is it. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so we have a thank you, a warranty card. You have this right here with like it's like a 3M tape. Maybe this is for the feet, I guess, if you want to replace it, maybe. I'll look into that in a little bit. Power station manual, introduction of lithium iron phosphate battery. There's that. Wow, so you have some different converters. I guess this is like a little car cigarette lighter. I guess if you have like some car accessories like a pump and you need to put in here, or a vacuum, this is really cool. And then you have another one right here, which would plug into, like for example, this right here. Very nice. A USB to USB Type C, or just a regular USB-C cable. I'm not sure what this cable is for, but for those who maybe go camping or fishing, you guys may know what this cable is for. Just a AC DC power adapter. I guess this is what you would use to actually charge the device itself. All right, so we have some outdoor settings right here. Excuse me if there's any background noise. I am trying my hardest to try to keep the background noise to a minimal. But so here we have the TECHI or the CTECHI. I did charge it a little bit, but here we have the status indicator. We have a 1 bar life, I believe. There we go. I also just did realize that this does have a flashlight mode right there. I believe if this is at a full charge, this will be a powerful light and great for camping, fishing, outdoors, nighttime scenes. So this will be really good. And I have a few test subjects here with me, so that way we can try to see if this actually does work. So here we have a little mosquito light killer thingy. So let's just plug it in. Here we go. And look at that, it turns on. It's literally like 1 p.m. so it's gonna be very hard to see, but here it's turned on. We're gonna keep it on. And I have here a box fan. I think it's gonna be a little bit too big to fit in frame. Here's the box fan plug. It's a little dirty, but let's plug it in and let's see if it turns on. I'm gonna plug it in now. Okay, it's plugged in. And I'm gonna just turn the knob. Look at that. It actually works. Wow, what a great product. So I'm gonna leave that running. So I'm gonna keep that running, and I have one last thing to test. Where is it? My phone charger. I hope you guys can hear me fine, but we're gonna test to see if it could power a mosquito light, a box fan, and power your phone. And just for the fun of it, we're gonna use the USB 3.0. And let's see. Plug it in 3, 2, 1. And it charges. So as you can see here, we have 3 devices, a box fan, a mosquito light, and iPhone charger, all at the same time, and it is working phenomenal. I could literally see myself using these 3 things at a campsite, camping, fishing, whatever. I would take a box fan to keep me cool during the night, the mosquito light to repel the mosquitoes from biting me, and obviously to keep my phone charged to just stay connected with my friends, my loved ones, and in case there's an emergency. I would say just right off the bat, first impressions, this is a quality product, really reliable, super useful, and man, this might even push me to pursue more outdoor activities like camping, for example, or just going out and just taking advantage of this product here. So really cool, it blew me away. And we're back, nice and warm inside. So yeah, overall, this thing is pretty cool. So yeah, once again, here, let me turn it on. And I'll show you guys a little closer up again because I'm not sure how well it was outside. But yeah, here's the like LED status. You have a 1 battery, 12 volt, and then I think we can turn on the AC by just pressing the power button again. There it is. And then the flashlight button. So as you can see from the inside of the house, it lights up pretty well. And I'm sure, as I said earlier, if we are on a full battery charge, it'll probably be even stronger. 3 USBs, 1 USB Type-C, 2 AC, like American style ports. Man, it's pretty good. It's a little heavy. I'd say about no more than 10 pounds. As you can see, I'm easily holding it like this, moving it around. But it does have a nice handle, and I can literally see myself using this for camping or any outdoor activities. So anyway, thank you guys for watching the unboxing and a quick little demo. I really do appreciate you guys for watching to the end of the video. The link to the product will be in the description. Use code XXIChris for $50 off. And so yeah, if you guys want to DM me or follow me on Twitter or Instagram, links will also be in the description. They will also appear on screen. If you guys want to DM me, if you have any specific questions, let me know. I usually do answer them and respond back. And all right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, y'all. Peace.